Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem. Today, hope you're doing well. So let's say today's problem given reversal linked list. Okay, so what the problem is saying is we'll be given the head of a linked list. Okay, what is the head? The head is here. Let's see through an example. Here is a head. Okay, so we'll be given a head. Okay, we'll be given a head of the linked list. And what we want to do is we want to return we want to reverse the linked list and we want to return the reversed head. Okay, we want to return the reversed head. For example, what we want to do is we want to simple. It's a simple problem. So we just want to reverse the linked list. So how will the reverse linked list look like? It will look like this: 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? 4 is coming here. Sorry, 4 is coming here, right? 3 is coming here. Okay, it's very simple to understand. No need to explain much. Okay, so this will be the reverse linked list and this will be the new head, right? New head. So we want to return whatever is the new head, right? This is a new head. We just want to return the new head. Okay, so that's what the ask is. Okay, now let's quickly see how we can solve this problem. So we are going to solve this problem using 3 pointers. Okay, so let me rewrite this example here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to have one current pointer. Okay, we are going to have one previous pointer. Okay, previous pointer. Let me write here. This is null, which we are going to initialize this previous pointer with null. Okay, and okay. So what we are going to do? We are going to iterate through this linked list. Okay, with current pointer. Okay, until current is null. Until current is not null. Okay, so we're going to iterate. Okay, now what we're going to do? We are also going to take a next pointer. Okay, in the while loop, we are going to take what will be the next pointer? Next pointer will point to the next of the current. Current dot next. Next pointer will point to the current dot next. Okay. So what we're going to do? We are going to in the while loop we are going to say current dot next. Okay, equal to previous. Okay, equal to previous. Current dot next equal to previous. What does this mean? So what we are saying is one, which is current. Okay, dot next equal to previous. So this is current. Okay, this is current. Okay, this is current. Okay, current dot next equal to previous. Okay, current dot next equal to previous, and then we are going to update our previous as well. Our previous. Okay, let me not cancel this current. So our previous will update this pointer. Okay, previous will also point here, and then what we're going to do? We are going to assign this next to the current. Okay, so now current will also be here. Okay, now current is here. Our previous is here, right? Our previous is here at 1. Okay, and this is null. 1 next is equal to null. Okay, now again what we're going to do in the while loop, we're going to check is current null? No, it is not null. So we're going to say current dot next, this is current, right? 2 dot current next equal to previous, we're going to say equal to previous. So previous is pointing at 1, current dot next will point to previous. Okay, so here our current will be here, right? Our current will be here. Then the next step will be to update previous equal to current, we are going to say. So previous equal to current. So previous will also be here. Okay. And before that, the first step is in the while loop, the first step is what was current? Initially current was here, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to say current dot next equal to current dot next. So next will here. I just missed this part. Okay. Our next will be here, right? The first step is next equal to current dot next. Second step is current dot next equal to previous. Okay. Third step is previous. For example, let me write the pseudocode as well. So while current is not equal to null, right? What we're going to do, we are going to have, this is just a pseudocode. Okay. Node next equal to current dot next, we're going to say. Okay. So for example, let me rewrite again just for you to understand 1.2.1.3.4. This was a linked list, right? This was a linked list. Our current was here, right? So with this statement, node next equal to current dot next, with this statement, what are we saying? Our next will point here. Okay. Then second step is current dot next equal to previous, we are saying. Current dot next equal to previous, we are saying. So previous is what? Previous was initially null, right? And with this statement, we are saying current dot next equal to previous. So current is what? 1, right? So we are saying 1 dot next equal to previous. So this is our current, right? This is a current. Then what is the next step? We are saying previous equal to current. We are updating our previous pointer. So previous will now point here, right? Previous will now point here. And then what is the next statement? What is the next statement? Uh, Current equal to next. Okay, current equal to next. So our current will now point to here. Current will now point to 2 as well. Okay. Okay. Now again, this will run. Now current is pointing at 2. Current is not equal to null, right? Then what we are saying? Again, node next equal to node next equal to current dot next. So next will point here, right? Then with this statement, current dot next equal to previous. So current, which is 2, dot next equal to previous. Okay. With this statement, we are updating previous pointer. Previous will now point here, right? Previous will now point here. Okay. And then with this statement, next, which is this. So current will point here, and so on. So in this way, we'll keep on going until current is null, is not null, right? Once current is null, so our previous pointer, right? Our previous pointer will be pointing to the new head. You can just check. Let me dry run this. So now, for example, right? Current is here. So we are saying current dot next equal to previous, right? We did that. Okay. And next, okay, next is here. Okay, next is here. And current dot next equal to previous, we did that. Okay. Now with this statement, previous equal to current. So previous will point here, right? Previous will point here. Okay. Previous will point here. Then we are saying current equal to next. So now current will point here. Okay. Now current is pointing at 4. We are going to check here. While current is not null, node is not null. So we are next step, we are going to say current dot next equal to current dot next. So next will point here now to the at null position, right? Next will point at null position. Then we are going to say 4, which is 4 dot next equal to current, right? 4 dot next, current dot next equal to previous, we're going to say, right? Then we're going to update a previous pointer as well. Previous equal to current. A previous will point here. Okay. Then we're going to say current equal to next. So now current equal to next is already null. So current will also point to null, right? And then the while loop will be broken, right? Because it is violating the condition. And at last we're going to return the previous pointer, right? Which will point to the new head. Okay. So this is the intuition behind solving the problem. I hope you have got the intuition. I've tried to make it very easy for you. So just one request to please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Okay, let's quickly implement the code. First, I'll show the Java code followed by C++. Not much difference again. Okay. So let's quickly have current equal to head, then node previous equal to null. Okay. While current is not equal to null. Okay. Then what are we going to do? Next equal to node next equal to current dot next. First, this will be the first statement. Then current dot next equal to previous, we're going to say. I already explained this. Then we'll update our previous pointer. Okay. Then again, we will assign the next pointer to the current pointer. Okay. And this is it. And then finally, we're going to return previous. We'll also explain the time complexity and space complexity. Let me compile this first. So what? These are 4 lines of code. Okay. So here, what is the time complexity? The time complexity is going to be O of n because we are iterating the linked list only once. The space complexity is going to be O of 1 because we are not using any extra space. We are just using some pointers, right? 2 pointers only. Okay. So thanks for watching. I hope you got the solution. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Let's quickly see the C++ code. Here's the C++ code. Not much difference again. I'll attach the code in the description section. Previous and current, I have already explained this code. Okay. You can go through. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video. I wish you a very happy, healthy, wealthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.